Hi, and thanks for your interest in creative inquiry. This video will briefly introduce an ongoing research project Clemson students can engage in this year titled Robotic Agriculture. The Robotic Agriculture project was launched to explore various mechatronic means to automate repetitive agriculture and gardening tasks. In the first year of the project, team members designed the system you're seeing now, which is a CNC robot frame very similar to a 3D printer, which borrows heavily from the FarmBot open source gardening system. It's been mounted to a custom platform to move it in and out of the lab and allow it to store and capture water runoff. The system is designed to be a computer-aided gardening and nursery machine that can use vacuum or air pressure and its own portable water supply to manage the early life cycle of small plants from seeding to transplant or harvest. Eventually, the intent is to deploy the system out in the field and run multiple batches of plants to perform practical work and springboard other research initiatives from. The system is still being tested and improved upon with a lot of room for growth. This creative inquiry is open to all majors. Students who enroll in this project will get hands-on experience with 3D printer and microcontroller technology, prototyping and system design work, among other opportunities. Some of the avenues for improvement and research being discussed for the next year include additional tool heads and sensors students will be able to design for the system, as well as the design of experiments for optimizing the growing conditions of plants, and programming the machine to use data logging and deep learning techniques to make its own caretaking decisions for the plants on the platform. Other initiatives are possible and largely hinge on what students enrolled in the project wish to explore. If you'd like to know more, check out the video description below for contact information and other project details that we couldn't fit in here. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the lab very soon.